How to find archived chats on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. So, in order to find archived chats on Telegram, navigate to Telegram app first and make sure that you log in or sign in to your account. Now you need to simply press on any chat, and now you need to tap on archive icon. If you don't get directly, select three dots at top right and choose the archive. So you can easily add different chats on the archive. So now, in order to access that, you can scroll to the top of the chat list and you see an option called archive chats. Tap on it and here you will see all your archive chats on Telegram. If you want to archive any chat, simply long press on particular chat and now select the three dots again and tap on archive. And with that, this will again reach on your chat page of Telegram. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.